Today's video is on solving equations that have no solution and also infinite solutions. Let's look at one that has no solution first. First step is to distribute the -4 to everything inside this parenthesis. -4 times 2x is a -8x. -4 times 1 is a -4, and that's going to be equal to a -8x minus 2. Next, we want to get all the variable terms on the left. In order to do that, I'm going to add 8x, move it over here. But doing that not only cancels this variable term, it also cancels what's going on the left side. And we're just left with -4 equals -2. And this is false. That's a false statement. Since these two numbers don't equal each other at the end and all the x's are gone, there are no possible solutions, no number that could plug into x to make this equation work. So we say no solution, just like that. On the other hand, let's look at one where there's infinitely many solutions. Again, first step is to distribute. We're left with -5 minus 9x equals 3 minus 9x minus 8. Next, we need to combine like terms on this side of the equal sign. So we're left with -5 minus 9x equals 3 minus 8 is -5 minus 9x. Since we have the same expression on both sides of the equal to sign, both the constant and the variable term are both the same, you can then say that we are left with infinitely many solutions. I'm going to go on and take it a step further and add my 9x over here and show you that they both cancel out, and now we're left with -5 equals -5. And this is a true statement, so we say there's infinitely many solutions. That means that you can take any number and plug it in for x, the same x on both sides, and the left-hand side would equal the right-hand side. Let's do a couple examples down below. Let's start solving it. Distribute to get 6x plus 6 minus 3x equals 6 plus 3x. Combining like terms, right here we have 6x's minus 3x's. That makes 3x. Leave the plus 6. And on this side, we have 6 plus 3x as well. Since we both have the same constant and variable term on both sides, we can say there are infinitely many solutions. Let's do another one. Let's do number 2. Number 2, let's start off by distributing not only on the left side, we can distribute on this right side as well. We're left with 12x minus 36 equals -7 times -2x is a positive 14x, and we have a minus 28 here. Keep on solving. I'm going to subtract 14x and move it over to the left side. Canceling out there. -2x is minus 36 is left over on the left, and a -28 is left over on the right. Adding 36, and we're left with -2x equaling 8. Dividing by -2, x equals -4. This is a situation where we did have a solution. The x variable terms did not cancel, and we left with a one solution of -4. What I want you guys to do now is try solving number 4. See what answer you get, and let me know. Write down what questions you have on how to identify whether an equation has infinitely many solutions or no solutions. Have a great night.